y'all. So I guess I'm just gonna talk to y'all because I was gonna make it like this big production where I was nice and quiet and stuff. I look floppy and crazy. So let's just get started. I'm gonna use my Clinique today and my brush here. Mac store today and go and pick up my NC50 since they played me and gave it to somebody else, and it's gonna take them forever to refund my money since the post office delivered it to the wrong address. So that sucks for me. But I think I'm gonna go and repurchase it today. Actually at Ulta when the Vice 3 came out the other day. And I was like, oh, this is the same palette that I already been seeing on YouTube. I didn't know that that's the one. I thought they were coming out with like a new Vice palette. So I was like, psh, that right there. I don't really like that palette too much. I like it, but I don't. It's really, I love pink, don't get me wrong. But I wouldn't pay $52 for that one. I would just go ahead and just stick with the Vice 2 versus the Naked 3. Because to me, it looks similar to the Naked 1 and to the Naked 2. And a lot of the colors in there are the same. So, yeah. I really like this brush. I changed my face completely. You probably, I don't know if I'm gonna cut, I'll probably end up cutting all that out the video. But I shaved my eyebrows off and drew them on. That's just my thing. So I'm gonna start out with this NYX Black Bean as my base. And I don't want this all over my eye. I mean, I want it all over my lid, but just the bottom. I don't want to take it up to the top. I wish I could watch her video as I do this, but I can't. Plus, I'm in a hurry. I gotta get my hair done. Whoop. Ain't that some shit? My bad, y'all. This raggedy thing broke. Look at it. This is the first one I ever got of the milk stick, or of this sticks like these, was the milk stick. And when it got here, it was all busted up. And so I've always used it with a brush. And now that I'm finally trying to use it whole, it just totally broke on me. That just made me mad. So, excuse my French if I keep that part in here. If I don't, then just know that I said a naughty word. So I'm going to take my Tarte mascara. And I'm going to, it looks like that. It has the thick, pretty. Ooh, this is a massive thing.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Bad Girl Mo. Money on Nisha Shea, it's summertime. Messing around with our own boys beat. Big bro's got my back. Yo, scared. Look about time, she'll grab.
This is the receiving side, because I never win, so. That's why my giveaway is gonna be a little bit different. It's not gonna be random at all. I'm gonna have some rules to help myself, and also to make sure that winners have a clear-cut way to win versus just randomly picking.
I see the girls hating, cause the guys need me. Now who want try me? Now who want try me? So call me bad girl, next way to see ya. That's why those boys follow. Every toe. Now who want try me? Now who want try me? They want to be me. They know they catch me. I'm a boss lady, driving the boys crazy. Now who want try me? Now who want try me? I see the girls hating, cause the guys need me. Now who want try me? Now who want try me? If you are joking.
Look like you're trying to be the Joker or something. Kind of feel better that it was lip liner.
Oh, I'm sexy.
Oh no. What do you do?
Alright, y'all. Let's try this.
Driving the boys crazy. Now who want try me? Now who want try me? I see the girls hating, cause the guys need me. Now who want try me?
So, I'm gonna tell you right now, my husband is not feeling this look. He wasn't feeling the black. He's not feeling this red. He said that I need to use more of a cream sheen red, something more, I don't know, not as dry as Ruby Woo. And I'm gonna agree with him, because honestly, I think that this look would really pop if, number one, I had the black lipstick from MAC, because it's creamy. Number two, if I didn't use that, I think that what I'm gonna do for my graduation is I'm gonna take some gold and go in that inner corner. I'm gonna do this black look again, but I'm gonna use gold in the inner corner, and I'm gonna put on a gold lipstick, like a very light gold lipstick, and that's gonna, or a nude lip. So I'm running late, guys, but I just wanted to show you that I end up using a little bit of my Mary Kay lip gloss on top, and it's in the color Mango Tango.
Messing around with our own boys beat. Big bro's got my back. Yo, scared. Look about some she'll grab. Baby, let me explain you. Only got one thing to say to you and me let go.
Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I got my hair done, but I'm not really feeling this little curly part. This is my real hair here, and I'm not feeling this little curls here. I love the install, I just don't like this. And the unit that I got, if you go back and watch my video, the haul video, I don't remember, but I think it was a haul video. I hauled this little wig for you guys, and what we had to do was cut it open and use it like a 3/4 wig because my head is too big. So I'm just sitting in the bathroom, and what I'm gonna do, because this part is gonna be covered up by my my graduation hat anyways. I don't know the official name for those hats. What is it? Motorboard? I don't know. So I'm just gonna try to, I don't like this part though. Like, it would have been good if it was just straight. But I love this wig. This unit is so cute. And it was cheap, like 11 bucks or so. So, oh, it was in the video 10 items for $10 or less. So check that video out to know what this wig was. I never did say the name, and I left the box with her, so Canubia, I think it was the name of the wig, the unit, whatever. Sorry. But anyways, guys, that's all for this video. I just want to come back and show you how my hair was, and I worked out the kinks before graduation, so watch out for that video to see what I'm wearing and all stuff like that. So bye.
Now who want try me? I see the girls hating, cause the guys need me. Now who want try me? Now who want try me? If you are joking, if you are hating, I'm a boss lady, driving the boys crazy. Now who won't try me? Now who won't try me? I see the girls hating, cause the guys need me. Now who won't try me?